Hey guys, I'm back after my channel got termed. Today we will start simple with modifying a program by inserting assembly instructions into the program itself. Let's get started. I got this simple program right here which just calls a simple message box. So we will modify this so it doesn't call a message box but it just sleep loops, alright? So let's load this into x64dbg. I'm using a VM right now, so this quality can be bad. I'm sorry for this. So firstly we see the entry point right here, and if we scroll up we see some space here. That's how I usually see it. So this is our main call, and we just go right here and we see that it just loads some strings and it calls message box. So what do we do now to actually create a sleep loop? Now we need to find some empty space. So usually you can create a new section or simply just scroll down until you see this right here. Now you just select some place, right click, fill with no ops, and then you just right here. Now what we're gonna do is we move the value of the sleep, so the sleep amount in milliseconds, just into a register. So move into RCX, for example, and we're gonna take 1000, so this is like 1 second. We're gonna click OK. So and then the next thing we need is the sleep API call. So what we're gonna do is go to symbols and go to the kernel.dll and then just type sleep. You're gonna double click here and just copy this address right here and go back. Alright, and next thing you're gonna do is just load this into a register. We're just gonna use rx and then just don't forget the 0x and then the address, and just click OK. And you already can see that it will say sleep right here. And now as we move this address into our rx, we just will call rx. Okay, so we just right here enter call rx, so it will execute the address and then just click OK. Now this will sleep once since we didn't create any loop. So what we're gonna do is just copy this address, copy address, and right here just enter jump and the address, and it will create an endless jump loop. So but what we need to do is we need to jump right here in the start of our program. So we just click copy address and then go back right here. Make sure to keep the sub RSP and just go right here in the second instruction because we don't need this all, and just right here create a jump and just jump to the address. And now it will jump down here and will create an endless loop. So now what we can do is just run it, or we can go to patches and then just click patch file. I'll rename this to, let's say, sleep loop, and then we can close x64dbg. And now you remember how it was before it was creating this message box. And now if we open this one, it will just endless loop, and we can check it if we want to attach to the program. We can attach it, and then what we can do, oh yeah, I already set the breakpoint on sleep. You can just make a breakpoint on sleep and it will break, and you can go to the call stack where it called sleep from. You just click this address right here below the sleep, and you end up right here in the loop. Now you can, for example, just disable this breakpoint on sleep and just make a breakpoint right here and just keep running the program. Now it will sleep a bit longer, but anyways we just are right here and we can step through the code, and here it will execute the sleep, and we see that we will break right here and just jump and execute everything again. So this was the simple video how we can modify the program, or generally 64-bit programs, by inserting assembly code. You can do this if you crack a cheat, for example, and you want to execute some own stuff. So this is how we can do this, and I hope you enjoyed the video. and I will post some videos soon. I wanna boost this all up again and upload all the videos, including yeah, I will not name it right here because it was the reason for my channel being terminated, but we will go through some methods how to bypass some different protections. And yeah, I hope you guys like the video, and subscribe if you want, and join the Discord in the description, and see you in the next video.